We have some Apple news. We have some news from 9 to Mac. Actually, there's some leaks of the iPhone 12 5.4 inch. So, super excited about this new iPhone 12. I think it's gonna be very good, successful phone as we know from Apple. And I believe that the iPhone 12 5.4 inch will be something like XR, iPhone 11, or even iPhone SE too, which by the way sold a lot of iPhones, also the iPhone 11. But yeah, iPhone 12 5.4 inch compact design, and there's some pictures here, so let's see now what we have here. So we have new colors. I believe it's gonna be 5 colors if I'm not wrong. So we have the yellow, we have the red, and the baby blue, should I say. And I really like the blue color, which is very good. The red color is very red. And let's see what other pictures we have. Oh, I see green here as well, purple. And I believe this is gonna be the gray color. The design is very good. It's a boxy design. It's the familiar iPad Pro design, which I think many people will love that. Actually, we have 6 colors, so we have the white as well. And pretty good, pretty good. My mistake, 7 colors. So we have 7 colors. And the design, like I said, is very good. People like the design, and I think it's gonna be very good hit for 2021. This is 5.4 inch display. Obviously the iPhone SE2 has the 4.7 inch, and the more important is obviously to see if the battery will be very good. As we know, the iPhone SE2 has 1800 mAh battery, which is not very good if you're a power user. Oh boy, this is not good. You have to look for a charger all the time. But here, interestingly, we have the 5.4 inch display. I think it's 60 Hertz display, so and I hope they put very good battery, because if you have to charge this phone every even 5-6 hours, I mean, I don't know. Obviously, it's gonna be better than that, but we'll see when we get the design actually. But yeah, definitely I like the new design of the Apple iPhone 12. The notch is gonna be the same. There's a leaks that the notch will be the same. They're not gonna shrink the notch, but I think people, they don't bother. They don't have problems with that. But yeah, definitely the design is pretty good. This leaks is from 9 to 5 Mac. So we'll see when we'll get the design. I believe we'll get the new iPhone 12 end of this year, late October. We'll see. There's leaks. Some people say that Apple will delay it, but obviously due to the pandemic worldwide. But yeah, interesting designs. Interesting design for Apple 5.4 inch. And the more important is, do you like the design?